Small room, big reputation. Does it hold? Charcoal walls, city lights, real price, Namba address, boutique rate. Hype or not, it photographs beautifully. The room, the breakfast, the lobby, and the canal outside. Dotonbori is 8 minutes on foot. That location matters. Mid-range rate, consider design, real or just the photos. By the end, you'll know whether to book or keep scrolling. "18 square meters. Low platform bed. The city 2 floors up. From upper floors, the window frames rooftops. Signs, the city at dusk. The palette runs charcoal and warm brass. Deliberate, not accidental at all. Storage is tight, 1 rolling rack, a shallow shelf, packed with intention. The bathroom is small but well fitted. Rain shower, real water pressure. Atmosphere, yes. Space, no. Hand the deal, and it's stated plainly. The platform bed is firm and low, correct for this room. Blackout curtains do their job. Sleep here is genuinely quiet. For the rate, the room matches the booking photo exactly. Namba doesn't do ceremony. Neither does this breakfast spread. Miso soup on the left, croissants on the right. No hierarchy, no fuss. The Japanese side, tamagoyaki, pickles, properly salted rice, all correct. Western options are straightforward. Toast, fruit, yogurt, nothing more than needed. The dining room faces the street, morning light, city rhythm, local noise. It's included in most bookings. Budget 2,000 yen if it shows as an add-on. This isn't destination dining. Midnight check-in, English-capable staff. 0 fumbled pause at the desk. Dark surfaces, recessed light. The lobby carries an editorial calm to it. The front desk runs 24 hours. Late arrivals are handled without ceremony. The footprint is small, maybe 12 meters across, but it moves cleanly. Luggage storage opens early. Useful when the room isn't ready until 3 p.m. Staff interactions are brief, efficient, warmer than the dark decor suggests. No grand atrium, no performance, just a well-run front door. The one thing worth writing down: request a room on floors 6 through 8. Upper rooms face the city grid. Lower floors look at a neighboring wall. Nightly rates run 15,000 yen to 22,000 yen. Midweek drops to the lower end. Book directly on the hotel site to get the breakfast option at a lower cost. Check-in is 3 p.m. Luggage drop available from 10 a.m. Dotonbori is best between 5:30 and 7:00 a.m. Set the alarm. Cross Hotel Osaka. Chuoku. 5 minutes on foot to Namba Station. Superior rooms add roughly 4,000 yen to the base rate. The view difference justifies it. A small bar off the lobby runs until midnight most nights. This is the stay that earns its rate through location and intention, not scale. For under 20,000 yen, the pre-dawn canal walk alone justifies the address. Every week, Hotel Lens covers one hotel this honestly. Subscribe for the real room before you tap reserve. Booking link is in the description. See you at the next check-in.